nothing worse than putting a new tank in and then not having the fuel gauge work. You're using your own sending unit. So definitely a big plus here putting the new. Put the hoses on, we'll make it easy on ourselves here. And then Jimmy.
Alright guys, there it is. This thing is, this is wild man, how big this joint is. It actually takes up the whole, regular MCD engine mount. So, looks good. It's time to get it on the car. Alright, so the motor is in, guys. The motor is in there. Alright, I'm gonna throw this Power Hobby fan here on there. And the motor install should be good to go. And of course, nothing ever goes simple. So I guess I gotta take and do a little notching on here, drill a hole so I can get that tire wrap back through there. And simple stuff. I'll just make a couple marks, make a couple cuts. See if it works. Let's just see what's going on with it. Make sure my radio is on. Yep, radio is on. All right, throw this in first. All right, you see we got the fan going on the ESC. We got the fan going on the motor. All right, and you should be able to turn. Yep, turn that. That right, but no throttle because the switch ain't on yet. But yeah, we got all that. All right, now these batteries ain't even really charged up yet. The Neva has the receiver battery, but let's go ahead and turn the ESC on. And the light there. Alright. Just hit the throttle. Woo-wee! Alright guys, let's turn this thing on and we will calibrate it. Alright, let's do the setup. I'll press the setup button and then the on button. Should beep. Alright, beeping. So I got it in neutral position now to get set. Squeeze it. Trigger. Set button. twice. Hit those brakes. There we go. Haha, we got it, baby. We got it. All right, yo. Thank you, Tony. All right, guys. So here it is, man. Here is the finished product on here. Man, this joint look vicious. Ah, love this joint. Love the way it turned out. This body sick. A little disappointed with the paint on this thing. I don't know what kind of paint they used to paint this thing, but I was trying to shoe glue some parts to put some wire mesh in. Right here, I want to put some wire mesh there, and I wanted to do some wire mesh here, but the shoe glue actually ate the paint down. So whatever paint it was not something that was for fifth scales, because you know we have gas and stuff like that. But you know, it is what it is. This is gonna be my bash body anyhow, so I'm really not too upset, but I am a little upset with how it turned out. But that being said, I am impressed with the way this car looks, for sure. I mean, that lime green, the high vis green, whatever you want to call it, and that carbon fiber does look good. Just a couple flaws right there, but like I said, I'll get over it. But yeah, man, this thing turned out very well, right? All right, so let's get the body off of it, and let's do a little overview of what we did underneath the shell. All right, so there we got the body off. I guess we'll start from the back of the car and then work our way to the front. All right, so in the rear, what we've done, we've replaced, put softer springs on there from Cardinal Racing. We have the Taylor RC shock bottoms on there, the billet shock bottoms. We have a 5,000 milliamp receiver battery in here, which powers this servo here and this servo here. All right, so we got the steering servo and the throttle. Well, actually, this is the brake servo, powered by the 5,000 milliamp Amazon battery in here, right? LiPo 2S. All right, we have the EZRUN MAX5 ESC here. Shout out to my boy Dre from Mississippi for sending me this setup. The ESC and the motor here, right? 800 kV motor. Shout out to my boy Tony for hooking me up with these QS8, soldering these connectors on for me, because I have no clue what I'm doing when it comes to soldering. So thank you, Tony, for that. All right, we got the Gens Ace 8,000 milliamp 4S batteries in series to power the ESC from Taylor RC. All right, we also got this whole car. We got the car as a roller, electric roller, also from Taylor RC. I didn't want to forget that before we go too far with this. All right, we have the Power Hobbies dual fan, little dual fan for the motor. All right, we have AGFRC servos, the 40 kg for the brakes, the mechanical brakes, and we got the 78 kg for the steering, also from Taylor RC. All right, we got the dead man switch installed here. All right, we got the Dark Souls wiring harness so that I can just run the 2 servos off of the 2S LiPo battery in here. Let's go to the front. So nothing's been replaced yet up here yet. Parts on the way, but nothing's been replaced yet. All right, up front we have the softer springs from Cardinal Racing. We have the shock bottoms from Taylor RC. All right, and we also have the billet arms, front arms from Taylor RC. All right, so we got everything in here. Looks good. Everything seems to be right. Only thing left to do now is to take this thing out. All right, now, one thing I do want to point out also is these batteries, these massive batteries, and both the ones I got from Taylor RC, the 8,000 milliamps, these are hard packs. And these soft pack ones I got from Amazon, they're 10,000 milliamps. They do not fit in these battery trays. So I gotta kind of, as you can see, I kind of like have it sitting up here in the middle, but I got them in there in the back, so it shouldn't shift anywhere. The 10,000 milliamps is even tighter, so I actually got to turn them on end and fit them on here. I also cut these straps down a little bit because the straps were super long. You know, with the 10,000 milliamp battery, 8,000 milliamp battery, there's no need for them to be as long as they are. So I trimmed them back a little bit just to make it look a little cleaner build. All right. Old school trick here from my car days, my real size, you know, full size car days, is as you can see, I got the separators on here, so it looks very well. All right, but yeah, like I said, AGFRC servos in here, no problem. And this thing is ready to go. You can see that's the EZRUN motor, but it's ready to go, man. Like I said, I got some dry lube. I'm gonna spray these CVs down there, front and rear, and we're gonna take this thing out. But that'll be in a different video, guys. All right, so I want to give a shout out to everybody that made this build possible. Mike Taylor, my hair, I'm at Dre, Tony. You know, I cannot say anything, you know, any more about how appreciative I am of you guys. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, I don't know anything about electric, so I got this thing done, man. I got this thing done thanks to you guys. So stay tuned for the next video. We're gonna have a little run video. I gotta charge these batteries up. I had to do the learning process for the ESC because I had no clue about that. Tony put me down with that also. But you know, next video on this thing hopefully will be at a maybe a Wagner, doing some laps, something like that maybe, or at a parking lot. But either way, I am happy with the results of it. So you guys stay tuned, all right? It's your man Lance over Crucial RC. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Out.